guys, one sec, be back in a moment. Okay, hey guys, I've climbed down near my jam, and I was getting rid of stuff. So and then I have a spike. I was going to see how much you could get rid of the spike for. This is confusing. This is only going to be a quick video, and so this you could get rid of it for 675. This you can get rid for 625. So 675 is 675. You can get rid of the very long bow for 675. But then the spike is 275. But why is it so much less? Because spikes are meant to be really rare. So you can't. Then you go to sell and be like, oh, it doesn't give you much money. Well, gems. Like, why is it so much less? 6. So it's 275. 675. Wait. 675. Wait. Oh. Let me say, yeah, 675. Like, why? I'm confused, but this was just a quick video, so yeah, guys. Bye! And remember to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. It's the fearless subscribe button, so pinch the subscribe button, punch it, do whatever. And if you turn on notifications, you will never miss another video. Bye!